different way. Now, I invite
ganito, di ka matambang. Nakaroon, umitin ka.
here, Theo, as cancel or busy for sa hospital in Chungwa. Chungwa mo? 20. For check-up. Bilang na-available yung check-up. Ito, self lang. Ito, self.
Yeah, child.
Tell name. Okay. Pila na old now? Alihon. Yan na. 24. Tell from Cebu. Not man from Cebu. Where from? What? Live together. Who live?
Ano, dali, buang. Ito ako din.
Annabelle.
Oo nga!
And then, tulo. Hearing. Deaf ang white. From Graber. Ikaw. Graber. Bisi. Grace Paginawan. White. So 10 pass. Here, graduate 2011. So, computer. But, OJT for 4 months work in brother in near Imol. As na. Then continue work through sa brother. Pila ka years? Maybe 3 years. Transfer in Mindanao. For work. Like 1, then work. 5 years work here sa mother stats. Experience on Wyman board. Pure ang people na mo visit. Asa pa man to? Robinson? Robinson or SM? So exchange. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 15 days. So pila ka mo therefore? Sa Robinson, 20. In SM, 30. So change by Precious, no? Precious Lopez own franchise. So the same sa branch sa CDO. CDO. Linkit kay or other. Guys. So here SM now. So why ganito reason 5 years naman work. How man dito kinaman salary Pura people. So Pura. So later resign 2026 na. Okay. So pagka February resign. So transfer. Design ka po masang. Different na. So happy now sa inyong work. 3 to 10. So schedule afternoon na. Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, Sunday, schedule. So pure ang people. Adegan. So pila man limit sa one person. Design niya po. 6 person in 1 day. All pila ka hours pay dito. 1 pay. Pili akong ini. Serve. Pila man ang pay na customer. 200. Depende sa 30 minutes, or 1 hour. So pila man ang tip ang high na na-receive? 2,000 in 1 day? Wow! Pero pila more ang high? 1K? Sa imo nga, as a strong. Kung man ito magpamasage, Filipino or other country? strong always meaning na visit. Suki. Okay, so good experience from then to that's both one. So now, so pila pa ka months? February, so have good benefits. SSS, pillar, pag-ibig, or your cellphone. So have all na. So pay na ka dito sa government. So all debt dito. February, March, April, May, June. So pila ka months? 5 months pa. So unsa man nila dito? Regular or commission? Igyapon percentage 35% or na-limit nga i-pay sa 1 week. Sa 6 person, pila man ma-pay sa 1, ikaw ang mag-massage. Pila ma-pay. Ang example, pila ang full. O pila pay. 600? 600? 800. So, what naman yung massage? How about katong glass? Bentusa. Wala. Only hands. Laing. Hab. So hab saan? Bed. Wala. So what man i-use nito nga oil? Oil lang i-use. Okay. Oil. Kapon. So, here mo na experience. Now, ako, thank you for visiting in Cebu Technological University. So, next time, maybe ako visit Butuan. See ko sa den ito. Sa Madrid. Precious, Lopez, Haman other brands, franchise in Legazpi. Albay. So, visit ako. Okay, so thank you. Okay.